The 1.4 TJ engine's markings are unique. Its drive shaft and camshaft pulleys lack markings. To calibrate timing, a special tool aligns the crankshaft and camshaft. The camshaft tool, numbered 1869850, secures its position, while the crankshaft tool, referred to as R004500A or 59123096, fixes the crankshaft. For calibration, adjust the camshaft by removing the valve and turning it until the intake camshaft's notch aligns with the belly center, then lock it with the camshaft tool. Alignment done. Remove crankshaft damper and engine timing passport. Fit the crankshaft timing tool, ensuring alignment of the small holes on both the tool and the crankshaft pulley. Secure it with bolts. Attach the tool's steel body screw, ensuring it's tight. Engine timing is set. If tool 2004-5 Theo's screw doesn't fit, adjust timing. Loosen tensioner, remove timing belt, adjust crankshaft, and secure tool 200-4500 to the body. Loosen camshaft pulley. Install the timing belt on the crankshaft and water pump pulleys. Tighten the camshaft pulley to 120. Remove the camshaft lock tool 1865-9850 and the crankshaft tool 200-4500A. Turn the crankshaft 2 times clockwise. Ensure the belt tensioner is correctly aligned. If misaligned, adjust the tensioner. Check the crankshaft position by rotating it twice. Follow engine timing calibration steps. If aligned, timing adjustment is done. If not, readjust. After calibration, add the engine passport, drive shaft tightener, and other components. Verify the shaft protection plug and seal. Finish with the valve cover.